Good morning, students. The Gauss law applications. Gauss law application: electric field due to an infinitely long charged wire. The first application: electric field due to an infinitely long charged wire. Let us consider a infinitely long straight wire having uniform linear charge density lambda. Let us consider the infinitely long straight wire having uniform charge density. The wire charge density linear charge density lambda is equal to charge by length. Let B be a point located at a perpendicular distance r from the wire. The point B at a distance r from the wire. Electric field at the point B using Gauss law. Two small surface. One surface, the small surface, one surface A1, another one small surface A2, which are equal distance from the point B, Two charge elements points radially away from the charged wire. The magnitude of electric field is same at all the points on the circle of radius r. Here let us choose a cylindrical Gaussian surface. Let us consider the cylindrical Gaussian surface. What do you mean Gaussian? Gaussian means imaginary surface. Let us consider the cylindrical imaginary surface. The surface radius or surface length L. The total electric flux in this closed surface is calculated by using formula electric flux formula. By is equal to closed integral E dot dA cos theta. Okay, theta is equal to 0. From the equation, there are three values. First one, curved surface. The curved surface. Next, top surface and then bottom surface. The total electric flux in this closed surface is called total electric flux in this closed surface is calculated using formula the top, bottom and then curved three surface. Find out using formula the closed surface E dot dA plus surface E dot dA plus surface E dot dA. The surface, curved surface, top surface and then bottom, top and then bottom. Here E value is parallel to E is parallel to A1 and here E is parallel to A2. There are two surface, top surface and then bottom surface. There are two surface parallel to the two surface parallel to electric field. Okay, here the top and bottom surface is perpendicular to A and dA. Okay, here the surface A1, surface A2. There are two surface perpendicular. To electric field. Here perpendicular, here also perpendicular. Here the electric field parallel to the surface. Okay. The top surface and bottom. Top and bottom, there are two surface perpendicular, E and A perpendicular. Okay, theta is equal to 90 degree. Next then, the curved surface E vector electric field is parallel to parallel to area. So here theta is equal to 0. From the equation EDA cos theta, EDA cos theta, EDA cos theta, the top and bottom, the total electric field phi is equal to cos 90 is equal to 0, here cos 0 is equal to 1. Only the find it for electric flux, find it only for the curved surface. The coslet to the cylindrical surface, the total electric field E dot dA. The electric flux by through the curved surface. By is equal to surface E. The dA value is equal to 2 by RL. Curved surface value is equal to 2 by RL. The surface area of the curved part, the 2 by RL is the dA is the area, the 2 by A is the area. The curved surface area 2 by RL. Here dA is equal to 2 by RL. E and ds are right angle to each other. The electric flux through the plane caps 0. The total flux by is equal to E dot 2 by RL. The closed surface total electric field by is equal to E dot 2 by RL. The net charge enclosed by equation 1. Here equation 1, net charge enclosed by Gaussian surface already known linear charge density lambda is equal to Q by L. Here Q is equal to lambda L. Gaussian surface Q is equal to lambda L. Gauss law formula by is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Gauss law formula by is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Okay, next Q value known. Q is equal to lambda L by epsilon naught. Here by is equal to lambda L by epsilon naught. Let us consider the equation 2. Equation 2. Already known equation 1 by is equal to E dot 2 by RL. By is equal to equation 2 by is equal to lambda L by epsilon naught. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Comparing equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 by is equal to E dot 2 by RL is equal to equation 2 by is equal to Q by epsilon naught. The Q value already filled, lambda L. Okay, next L cancel. Here E is equal to lambda by 2 by r epsilon naught. Let us consider the total electric field in a curved surface. The E vector form, E vector is equal to lambda by 2 by r epsilon naught, the unit vector r cap. Let us consider the vector form. The electric field due to the infinite charged wire depends on 1 by r, the distance. The direction of electric field E is radially outward. The direction of electric field radially outward direction. The charge is positive. Suppose the electric field apply in the inward direction E, here charge is negative.